Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and taking the time to watch my videos. I do truly appreciate it. I hope you all, again, are having a wonderful, wonderful day. And we are into December, you guys. I cannot believe it. Christmas is going to be here before we know it. I want to thank you all so much again for being here, and please do make sure to leave a comment. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, and if you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you. But as you can see from the description, we are unboxing the December 2018 MunchPak. And they have changed their packaging. I thought that last month with November, they definitely have. And as you can see, this month is a little bit bigger. I did go up to their their medium. They do offer three different subscription levels. And I wanted to double check here with pricing. You can get 5 or more snacks for $13.95. And then you can get the 10 or more snacks, which is the one I have, which is $23.95 a month, or you could get 20 or more snacks for $43.95. Excuse me. So we are going to dive in here. What I love about MunchPak is that it is a snack subscription where you receive snacks from all around the world. So you could have, if I have 10 snacks in here, I could have 10 different countries in here with the snacks. So we are going to open it. This is what it looks like when we open it. There's always a card that tells you this MunchPak was made with love by, and it'll have the person's name. So this was made by Nick. And there's always like a sticker. And then the paper, which we will take off. And then this is what we see inside. So we are going to go through here and see what kind of snacks we got and where they're from. They usually have a really good variety of like sweet and salty, or like sweet snacks, salty snacks, things like that. So the very first one on top I see here is some ketchup potato chips. It says crunchy chips with a bold ketchup flavor. These are from Canada. And one thing I like about MunchPak is all of the snacks have a little sticker telling you the country and what they are. And that's really good because sometimes when they are from, you know, China or just somewhere where the language is not the same, if you can't read it, you wouldn't know. So I love that they put it on here. So that is really awesome. All right, and on to our next one. This, I thought it looked familiar. This is from Hers. I believe that's how you say it, H-E-R-R-S or apostrophe S. This is from the United States. Hers Ragin' Ranch flavored potato chips. So it's ranch flavor with a kick. Get some potato chips. So, what is this? Flavor infused Pazoots. This is from the US. Premium Virginia Artisan Peanuts. This is in the flavor Baja Taco. It says crunchy peanuts infused with a savory taco flavor. I've never seen these. That's interesting. My husband and Christopher may like those because he loves peanuts, and tacos are like his favorite thing to eat right now. So let's see, what are you? This is from Croatia, and this is Cross Bronhi Toffee, chewy toffee with a mixture of herbs and cream. So that sounds interesting. Very interesting. All right, so if you guys saw my recent Universal Yums unboxing for November, it was the Netherlands, and we actually received a Stroop waffle, like caramel cookie thing. It was really good. And this is Double Dutch Caramel Stroop Waffle, Holland's favorite cookie. This is from Canada. Chewy Stroop Waffle with creamy caramel filling. So the one that I got in Universal Yums was like chocolate coated. But either way, I'm sure that one's still going to be yummy. Let's see. What are you? What are you? Chorus Whistle Candy Ramune Strawberry flavor. Strawberry flavored candy that can be used to whistle. This is from Japan. Interesting. I'm saying you get exposed to such a variety. Like I said, we got some chips, we've got some toffee, we've got some kind of strawberry candy. It's all kind of stuff in here. And then this is also from Japan. This is the Morinaga High Chew Japanese watermelon flavor soft chewy candy made with natural watermelon juice. So this is, I've had the High Chew before. These are really good. This is just all watermelon. So I'm sure those are yummy. This is from Turkey. It's called D Best Sour Super Droopers Blue Raspberry flavor. Chewy blue raspberry gummies with a sour twist. So those will probably be good. Christopher will probably love these as well. What are you? We have you. This is also from Japan. Yaokin Umaibo Mental Stew flavor. Crunchy corn puff flavored like marinated roe of pollock and cod. So I don't know quite about that one. I don't know if I want a fish flavored corn puff. That's going to be really interesting. And then from Colombia, we have Festi Wow cookies, sweet and crunchy chocolate cookies with a rich vanilla filling. So, you know, these are going to be very similar to what we have here in the US that I'm sure everyone loves, Oreos. And then we have one more product. This is from Croatia. Cross Banana Cove chocolate bar. Soft, fluffy, marshmallow-like banana-flavored filling covered with chocolate. So that will probably be really yummy. So that was everything in the box. So we have 1, 2, 3. I don't know about this little fish flavored puff. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we had 11 snacks, and like I said, we did have a really good variety of like salty, savory type snacks and sweet snacks. So I just always think it's fun to try, like I said, different things. It's usually fun when I'll give something to Christopher and say, hey, this is from so-and-so country, and he'll try it and he's like, oh, that's good. And I'm like, I know, unfortunately we can't get it. I don't know how we'd get it, but it's always fun to see what different countries have, you know, for their snacks versus what we have here. So that is one thing I like about MunchPak, is the variety of countries. I do, you know, really love Universal Yums as well, where they focus generally on one country every month. So there are all kinds of great snack subscriptions out there if you want to try different snacks from different countries all over the world. So I will put everything down below, their website, and if they have a coupon right now, I will put it out for you guys. Sometimes they do, where if you've not signed up with them before, you can sign up using a coupon and get a discount off your first box. So like I said, I will make sure if there is one, I will put that down below with their website. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.